just gonna do this. I have no paper towels out for this. I planned well. Welcome back from vacation. This will be fine. We'll just shove that right there, a little bit off camera. Let's move some of this around. I got a cake tinner, so that should be fun. I'm hoping that my music in the background isn't loud enough for YouTube to hear, because then I'll have to cancel out any of my amazing verbiage and I'll be traumatized. I really won't, I don't give a shit. But, let's see. A little bit more black around these edges. I know, what is she doing? An entire black canvas, what the fuck? And welcome to the end of my painting. We're done, have a nice night. No. Doing metallics today. I wanted to try something that's a little bit different. So all of the colors I have set aside are metallics, which essentially means shiny. Shiny, kind of glittery, kind of awesome. You may also notice I actually have a paint room now. It's a room in my basement instead of just being in the center of my basement. I've been upgraded. Yes. I'm like a real adult now. So do I want to do it like this? Do I want to do it like this? I feel like I want to do it like this because the last one was totally fucked. Is this the center? We want to be in the center. Boom. So light them up. What are we, slanted one way here? What's going on? We shouldn't be slanted. We might be slanted. I'm slanted. My brain is slanted. That's pretty much where we're at. So I've got some pretty colors here that I want to use. And just see what we can come up with. And I've only got 4 colors out that I'm actually going to use. I have a ton of colors over here that you can't see. So if I'm feeling fancy, we may get in and do something else. Haven't decided yet. And I don't want to use a ton of the silver and gold because I just don't. I want to predominantly make this purple and blue and maybe add a little bit more black and a little bit more, well, a little bit of white, which I have back here. We'll give this a good shake because it hasn't been used since I have been on vacation, which was a blast. Cruises can be a lot of fun. And we actually went to my honeymoon spot of Half Moon Cay, so that was nice. It was beautiful. I almost died by way of jellyfish, so that was a little bit of trauma for me, but I survived, as you can see. You're so welcome. You're so lucky, I know. Oh shit, I dripped, but it didn't hit the painting. Woohoo! I'm on fire! I don't know if my singing is copyrighted. Is that okay, YouTube? One can only hope. One can hope they're like, this bitch is awful, just leave it alone. Oh, I know you can't see it, but some of these colors over here are cool already, and I'm already excited. Look at that. Did not take long. So this is not because somebody's paying me to do it. This is because I just fucking feel like it, which is always the best feeling. Because there's a lot of stress when you're doing a commission painting. It's a little terrifying. it's a beautiful feeling that someone wants to pay you to make something, but it's also highly stressful because, you know, the entire time you're doubting yourself, wondering if they're going to like it or not. Whereas this, it's like, I'm doing this because I wanna, what? So I've got some cool colors in here. I don't know if I want to add something else. Should I do a little neon green just because that's kind of like my shtick? I'm thinking so. I've already got it in my hand, so obviously that's what's going to happen next. Obviously. I mean, you should have expected it. If you didn't, do you know me at all? Do you really know me at all? No. In my neon green, I have... I added glow in the dark, so anytime I use neon green, it fucking glows in the dark. Oh, this one's sparkly, which you can't really tell just by looking at it like that, but it's black sparkles. Another brick in the wall. There's already so much color on here. I'm a little terrified about adding more, but I want there to be enough so it stretches appropriately. So there's going to be an art show in Albany, and they're essentially looking for artists of all kind, but even beginning artists, which we all know I'm a noob. Do you think I should enter it? I'm kind of thinking about it. I'd have to have 12 pieces, which, I mean, I can definitely probably do in the course of a week. But I think it would be interesting. I think it could be fun. You know, no pressure. You can also tell me to go fuck myself. That's completely and utterly acceptable. There's a noise happening in my basement, and I feel like it might be a cat vomiting. And I'm not going to go investigate because don't fucking care. If she's vomiting, that's her own fault. She ate too fast, and she threw up all of her breakfast this morning. So if that's happening again, guess what? Learn how to eat slower. Also, you may hear me call her a fuckhead at some point because this room happens to have a couch in it that she likes to dig, and I've been calling her a fuckhead pretty much every 10 minutes. I'm a good parent. I'm a very good parent. So I'm excited. I'm getting ready to do a bunch of traveling. I'm going to go visit some family down south because, you know, for whatever reason, they want to see me. I haven't quite figured out why. Maybe one of you can tell me. I think they're all nuts. But they want to see me. So I'm going to make the 13-hour drive to North Carolina, which should be fun. And then at some point, because we know I'm of the witchy persuasion, I'm going to go to Salem. Oh, look at this. Look at that suction. Look at it. That's dope. And broop, 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 and broop. That looks so pretty. Now we're gonna stretch the shit out of it because there's a lot more color on here than one would expect. I spent a good portion of my vacation reading books and just checking out all of the other amazing pour artists on YouTube. And I don't mean pour like P-O-O-R, I mean pour as in P-O-U-R, which you've been watching me do. So, I mean, some of us are probably fucking broke. I'm not gonna judge, I'm not gonna say we're not. But there's some really cool shit out there. And I think that we should be giving each other more love, more support, and just encouraging our artwork, because some of the stuff that people come up with is just absolutely phenomenal and gorgeous. Come on, I want this to stretch. Stretch, stretch, do the thing. So that's my little soapbox right there, is to remember to be supportive of everyone around you, whether they're an artist or whatever they like to do. Whatever makes them happy, be supportive. If you don't like it, shut the fuck up about it. Because your opinion doesn't matter anyway. But anytime you can build somebody up is a positive thing. And people deserve that. You know, like I started Beachbody because I'm overweight and I don't want to be. And so obviously, because Facebook listens to everything you ever say, so I've been getting all of these ads for Beachbody, which I don't mind at all because I like to be supportive on those ads and just, you know, tell women that they're doing great jobs and they look amazing and I'm super fucking proud, kick ass, all of that shit. But there's actually the haters in there that are like, oh, this stuff doesn't actually work, you know, blah, blah, blah. I had one woman who was, she's like, I've got an even healthier thing to do that doesn't require exercise and you can eat whatever you want. And I'm like, the fuck are you talking about? Shut up. Like, what's honestly healthier than exercising and eating right? Because if you think that exercising and eating right is not the way to go, you're dumb. Please shut up. Please stop shoving your supplements in people's faces, because people are just going to fucking be obese again because they just did what they wanted, and that's not the way to go. You got to eat right. You got to take care of your person. But it debilitated me for the first few days. Because I don't, like, I show houses and I go up and down stairs and you would think I'm relatively active. Yay. No, when you actually start doing some of this shit, it kicks the fuck out of you, man. Like, I legitimately thought I was gonna die at one point. Today was rest day, because I'm doing 21-day fix. Today was quote-unquote rest day. You know what rest day is? Pilates. That's like yoga on steroids. Fuck your beliefs. You're fucking wrong. That's not a rest day. That's a lie. That's exactly what that is. Look at this. Oh, I'm just cleaning off the bottom here of all this excess dripping paint. So this actually came out way better than I expected. And these colors are so fucking pretty, and the cell work is already amazing. And I'm sorry I'm sniffling. But, so like, you can see all of these different shades in through here, and those little streaks of green just came out phenomenal. And I'm gonna attempt to grab the selfie stick that my cell phone is standing on right now, and I'm gonna try and not drop you in this painting. So if I drop you, I'm so sorry, and I'm gonna apologize to my cell phone, because my cell phone's more important, because that's how I run my real estate business. But look at all of that. How gorgeous is this? And I'm going to try and get out of my own shadow. Look at all of this coloring. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So there you have it, guys. My first painting being back from vacation. Dig it. Definitely dig it.